as we built the house, we do a variety of things to make the home really energy efficient. And one of the final things that we do is we measure the levels that we've been able to achieve. It's always key that we measure. And so what we're going to see here today is a blower door test, which helps us measure the amount of air changes per hour. So when we look at homes in the 70s and 80s compared to today, those homes you would get, again, you'd get 10, 15 air changes an hour. So we started to tighten them up. Code now prescribes that you can only have 5 air changes per hour. And we, in our homes, are down at about 2.5 air changes per hour. Air change means how much air are you uncontrolled letting into the home. We don't want to do that. We don't want to let any air uncontrolled into the home, and that's why we seal around electrical outlets, we seal around plates, we do a lot of caulking, we seal around windows, we wrap our houses with Tyvek house wrap to stop an uncontrolled air exchange. Now, interestingly enough, you want fresh air into your house. And so how do you bring fresh air into your house? Well, the way that you bring fresh air into your house is we have a system that brings it directly into the furnace from the outside, bringing fresh air in. And it's on a motor, it's controlled, and it does it on an hourly basis, brings fresh air in to make sure that you do have fresh air in the home, but you're doing that in a controlled manner. We're looking at the blower door. And what the blower door is doing is actually creating a negative pressure inside the house by pulling air out. We know the cubic volume of the house, and so by understanding what the cubic volume is, they can track the amount of air that's coming out of the house, and that's how they track air changes per hour. This is really the culmination of all of the energy features that we put into our home and creating a really energy efficient home for our buyers. And it's not just only energy efficient, but by controlling air changes per hour, it makes the house much more livable, much more comfortable, and much more enjoyable to be in.